Welcome to the Adventures of Carlienne channel. I'm Carl, and thanks for tuning into our cooking series, where we share anything and everything we love about that kitchen life. January, we're kicking off our egg challenge. So every day in January, we're going to be putting out a video of how to make a different type of egg. So I hope you're ready. Let's go. Recording.
Today's dish is the Tamago, Japan's quintessential egg dish. It's deceptively simple, but it's a great snack. It goes well in sushi. Anyways, if you're ever in the Tsukiji outer market, there's the famous Tamago stall, and it's like super good. You have to get it sweet, and it's only 100 yen. $1. Let's try this.